Watch me make $800 in 10 minutes on one trade on Facebook. Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr. Bo with Ready, Set, Grow. On this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Leave a comment below saying you subscribed for a chance to enter our next giveaway. Also check the description for some valuable resources. All right, 10 seconds until the market opens. I'm going to go ahead and start my scans to see if anything fired. So I have some scan results here from running the scan on the daily time frame. I see that AMD fired long, but the EMAs aren't stacked, so I'm not interested. I see Snow fired long. EMAs are stacked, but the histograms aren't aligned, so I'm not interested. I like when every single thing aligns, and they have to be aligned in order for me to take a trade. So I'm not interested in any of the tickers that fired on the daily on the regular squeeze. So I'm going to go down here to the Squeeze Pro, where I have 13 tickers fired, and look for something that has alignment. Facebook fired long on the daily. Histograms are aligned, and it has stacked EMAs on all time frames, but is going down right now, so I'm just going to keep an eye on it. I may be interested in it later. Okay, so Facebook pulled back, and it is now bouncing, so that's a signal for me to enter a long position. I'm looking at this week's expiration. I'm going to get an at-the-money call. Okay, I just got filled, and as you can see, I'm up already. All right, so just checking in on the Facebook play. You can see I'm up 8%. Facebook is moving, so keeping an eye on it, up almost $300. And there you go, seeing me make money easy. Again, I picked this play because I scanned for it using the Squeeze Pro scanner. I saw that it fired long on the daily time frames. The EMAs were all stacked, and the histograms were all positive. That's why I took the trade. Take a look at my Facebook. I'm up 25%. So I'm going to go ahead and set a sell order. That's $800 right now. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out and secure some profits. Almost 30% on this play. And I have just closed Facebook with an $825 profit. That's on one trade. I had 11 contracts. I alerted this trade Facebook when I took it. I alerted it in my server, and members were able to capitalize off this little pop that occurred. Here is the alert for Facebook, the play that I took, and let's see what they're saying in chat. So I exited at about 30%. This member, she just joined today. She exited at 37%. Welcome back, Slim G. Roman Guide got 11%. This one got 20%. Not sure what Matty Ice got, but obviously he was green. So one alert paid for the subscription service. So I literally made $825 in less than 10 minutes. And if you watched my video yesterday, you know I made $1,000. So almost $2,000 in 2 days. Thank you guys for trading with me, and I'll see you next time.